Now go! Earn your bread.
Leave lads, oh lads, forget the comforts of home, you're a nomad. We've lost so much since we first started. Are our hearts cold or are we cold-hearted? So pray to your Lord or your foreman, but the sun might rise in the morning. They told us hell was warm, but our empire fell for shelter from the storm.
On the run from London town, nothing left but rubble there to plunder now. Torn asunder, buried underground, beneath the tundra at 100 weight, the brothers drowned. Now we're gonna need another crown. So huddle round, hunker down, man the shovels plow. And every 100 paces pray and lay another down. Another mother, son or lover lost, the frost is out. But lonely drifters in the snowdrift won't be scuppered now. Stay devout, tough it out till the sun is out. Trust the centers and dissenters, hunt and flush them out. Keep the faith and trust there's grace behind the thunderclouds. Or fall in line and march of time against the climate proud. What are we becoming now? Is this the life we prayed for? Time is running out, there's nothing left but labor. We write our future in the eyes like it was pen and paper. Leave for future generations more than just a generator. We must never waver, this is the price we pay for safety one day for our children on the path we pave them. And in the end, no, the history depends on an empire thawed to the flames of what we gave up.
Leave lads, oh lads, forget the comforts of home, you're a nomad.